Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be giving a very brief overview on the first lab assignment. Now this lab assignment is actually very simple. It just requires you to set up a simple topology out or put some IP addresses on these devices and then perform some ping tests. That's basically all this lab really is. There are also some questions. Now I will say a lot of these terms like broadcast domain, ARP, and a lot of this layer 3 network and the term layer 3 network. All of these things are covered in detail in this lecture. You can find it on Canvas. It's Module 1 Master TA lecture. Please watch this video before doing this lab. It'll help you understand how to answer these questions. One other thing I'll do before we end this lecture is show you how to set up the topology. Now there is a video by Scott Cunningham, this class's former professor. He shows you how to basically do your lab assignments, but I'll do a quick overview. So basically, for switches, you click these two arrows, and you click CIT 247L to IOU. Please use these switches, the IOU switches, for these labs, unless stated. But for this lab specifically, you need to use it. So for PCs, you click this little monitor icon, scroll all the way down until you see VPCS. These are the computers you need to use for your lab. So once that's done, you can actually arrange these any way you want. But after that, so to connect everything, click the little snake icon, then click the device, and you'll see this little word here, or you'll be given a bunch of options once you click the device. You can pretty much click whatever you want unless the lab says otherwise. But PCs only have one port, but the switches have multiple. So after you're done connecting all devices, click the snake icon again, and then click play. So to configure an IP address, double click a device. So sorry. And then to configure an IP address, type IP and type the address. Should be like that. And then you might need to put the subnet mask as well. So do that again for both PCs, and then you can do ping test, which you basically do like ping 182.168.0.2. So I'm not going to set up the other PC for time, but that's basically how you set up the lab. So there's a bunch of questions here. In particular, I want you to focus on this here, the purpose of ARP and how it works. How ARP works is covered in my LACMaster TA lecture. Please make sure I do cover OSI and OSI layer stuff, and I show you how to, basically I give you the information you need to understand this appropriately. I don't expect a huge essay, but I like a good paragraph or a few bullet points explaining the steps or showing each step. But that's basically it for this lab. Also, please remember to submit a reflection. There's lab submission instructions. This last page here is very important. Basically, answer these questions here for your reflection. That's a part of your grade. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please email me. Thanks again, and have a good day.